Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see about full access policy for S3 buckets in AWS. So I'm opening AWS. And this is my home page of AWS console. And in the search bar, just search for IAM for creating the policy. So I'm clicking on this IAM. And after that, so you can create a policy in the left side. So just click on these policies. And these are some default policies that is already available in your AWS. And we are going to create a new one. So click on this create policy. And after that, we have to specify the permissions. So I'm just getting into the JSON. Just click on this JSON. And after that, so this version is a default version of your AWS. And after that, SID, you can give some reference name here. So for simplicity, I'm giving S3 full access policy. Full access. Okay. You can give anything here. For simplicity, I'm giving S3 full access. And effect allow in the sense it is going to allow all the specified actions below. So actions, I'm giving S3. So S3, then colon, then asterisk. So asterisk is responsible for giving full access. Okay. And resource, we have to attach the S3 bucket. So I'm going to copy the ARN of the S3 bucket. So we have some S3 buckets that is already created. I'm going to select this demo bucket DataMites. Then I'm going to copy the ARN of the demo bucket. So for that, you have to open the bucket and then go to the properties. And here you can find the ARN. And then copy this. So bucket ARN copied. I'm coming back here. And here, I'm going to paste it here. So inside the double quotes, you have to paste it. And after that, give comma again. And again, paste it. Then give a slash. And after that, give asterisk. So this asterisk is responsible for giving the permissions of the specified actions above. So it's going to give the permission. So the full access is given with the help of this JSON. And then we have to give next. So everything is done here. I'm giving next. So okay, so we should not add this quotes. I'm giving S3 full access. That's it. Now it is clear. I'm giving next. So policy name, I'm giving S3 full access. Full access policy for simplicity. And then description, if it's required, you can give, it's optional one. And you can see here, we have given read access. That means reading the objects in the S3 buckets and then listing the objects in the S3 buckets and then permissions management. So the person can able to manage the permissions and then tagging, they can able to give the tags for the S3 bucket and then they can able to write it. So write means we have both adding the elements or adding the objects in the S3 bucket, also deleting the objects in the S3 bucket. These are the actions we can able to do. So access level. These are the access that I have given to the user. Okay. So I'm clicking on this create policy. Once it is done, the policy is created. Okay. So if you want to see whether the policy is created or not, you can give S3, search for S3. So full access policy. So you can clearly see the policy is created and it is customer managed. Thank you, everyone.